This is why your followers on your social media platform are not buying from you as a business owner. There's a girl that messaged me that was like 1 month ago. We have been working on her brand. She have over 12,000 followers on Instagram alone, and on Facebook she have over 20,000 followers following her business page, and on TikTok she have about 50,000 followers. But she couldn't even generate up to 500,000 naira in a month. All her followers does is just to watch her story, watch her videos, and anything concerning her business page. They don't even ask how much do you intend to sell this one. Oh, I like this one. All they do is they just scroll and pass. So as a brand owner, I asked her that, do you just post pictures or do you just post videos of your product? She said yes, that's the best thing that she can actually do. And I said, you see, one of the things that a lot of people, especially high value clients that will always go and come back, one of the things that they want to actually relate with you as a business owner or owner of a product or a brand owner is stories. If you post a picture, for example, since you are a cloth vendor, this cloth, if you post it and if you cannot share a story that is related to this cloth, or how this cloth was actually made, or how it was discovered, or the story that actually brought about how this cloth was actually branded, trust me, people are going to scroll and pass. For example, let me use Tubo as example. Tubo just designed a bride, and she went as far as traveling to the village of this bride. She wanted a dress for her bride that is going to tell a story. She wanted a dress that would tell her story, and she asked her bride that, what is the most popular thing in your village? What is that thing that a lot of people do consume in your village? And the bride mentioned palm wine. So Tubo had to travel with her team all the way from her office to Enugu State, which is very far, because she wanted to create a masterpiece that comes with a story. Now, when she went as far as doing all of that, she took every detail that she needed from a palm wine tapper, a famous palm wine tapper in the village. When she got those details, she put those details into work, and she was able to bring out a very solid bridal attire for her bride, and that was awesome. Now, here's the thing. People love to relate with stories, especially the things that comes with value or a story that is behind a particular product. Now, I am wearing this top, which is a sport top. There's a story behind this top. So all I'm trying to say here is, if you're a brand owner, make sure you always bring out very good stories that your customers can relate with. So when we got into this, my clients brand, I told her that whatever picture you are posting, make sure you are posting it with a story, or how that particular dress was made. There are people that don't want to wear cotton. There are people that don't want to wear silk material. When you are done concluding your story, make sure that you tell your customers or your future clients that this cloth was actually made from so fabric. There are some clients that when you mention a certain fabric, no matter how expensive that dress is, they are not going to buy it. But there are some clients that when you mention a fabric, no matter how cheap that cloth is, they are going to buy it, because that is what they can actually relate with in that story. So give your products full details and give them valuable stories that your customers can actually relate with. So back to my clients, by the time we put in work, trust me, she started making a lot of money. People didn't just started scrolling through her page, they started placing order in her page. What we did after we started posting on her page, sharing stories, and then the reason behind a particular thing was created, we started sharing testimonies of our buyers. And trust me, by the time those testimonies fly with, okay, this cloth was made with this cloth was made with this, or I love the fact that it was made with this particular material, trust me, the sale rose from about 10 orders in a day to 20 orders in a day. If you want my 5-step storyteller that turns followers into buyers, kindly comment story under the comment section and I'm going to send it to your DM. See you in my next video.